Hi everyone. Want to create a Play Store account to download apps, games, and more on your Android phone? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up a Google Play account step by step. Step 1. Open settings on your phone. First, open the settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap account on account and backup. Step 2. Add a Google account. Tap add account. Then select Google. This is how you will create the account that links directly to the Play Store. Step 3. Choose Create Account. You will see options to sign in or create account. Tap Create Account. Then select Myself. Step 4. Enter personal information. Now enter your first name or last name. Then tap Next. Next, add your date of birth and gender. This helps Google secure your account. Step 5. Choose a Gmail address. Pick a new Gmail email address for your account or use an existing one. Tap Next when you are done. Step 6. Create a strong password. Enter a secure password that's easy to you to remember. Confirm it and tap Next. Step 7. Verify your account. Google will send a verification code to your email or phone. Enter the code to verify your account. Step 8. Accept terms and finish setup. Read through Google's turn to off service and privacy policy. Then tap I agree. Your Google account is now ready. Step 9. Open Play Store. Finally, open the Google Play Store app. Your new account will automatically be signed in and ready to use. And you can start downloading app and games right away. Important tips. Keep your Google password safe and private. Enable account recovery option for extra security. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet during setup. And that's it. Have a Play Store account on Android device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tutorials.